Napakagiblo?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time, ha? Make it faster. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kai. Now, Mommy, Daddy, before you blow the candle, what is your birthday wish for your son? Sir. Good health, ikaw, Mommy?
Good boy.
Good boy, good health and good boy, a good boy, yes. Okay, good health and more blessings in the family. That's my wish for you, ha, birthday boy. Now, kids, mag-ihagdag 1 up to 3 and then shout mo and say blow, ha? Ano mo, blow! Ha, the count of 3. Ready? Sige, dungan. Count 1! Say happy birthday, Kai! Hap, hap! Hap, hap! Happy birthday, Kai! Okay, Kai, Francesca is officially 1 year old today. Papangalan ng birthday boy! Okay, sige. Kiss, linya na mo.